Welcome to Bare Metal Technologies, the parent company of BMT, an innovative cutting-edge technology that eliminates the non-visible cause of coating failures and prevents corrosion from occurring even in the most corrosive environments. BMT is not a coating or paint technology. It's a superior substrate treatment, a unique cleaning process that prepares a metal surface for protective coating applications by eliminating common contaminants that cause coating failures. BMT doesn't mask contaminants. It destroys them. BMT eliminates microscopic contaminants that are the primary cause of coating failures. BMT is coating neutral. It does not leave a film on the surface and is not restricted by coating chemistry. BMT will work with any coating or coating system, even when metal is cleaned to the industry's highest substrate preparation standards and looks pristinely clean to the naked eye. The view under the microscope tells a completely different story, and we can prove it. Look at this piece of steel which was contaminated with sulfides and ferric chlorides and then cleaned to white metal. Within hours, the substrate has rusted. One side of the rusted area was treated with BMT and was analyzed within 4 hours. Energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy reports showed no contaminants on the BMT-treated side. Microscopic views of the untreated side reveal a different story. There are cracks and oxidation layers and contaminant deposits. The BMT-treated side had no contaminants and no corrosion. Join the BMT Revolution. BMT is a decontamination process. It is not a quick-fix product that only reduces or masks contaminants with chemicals, such as inhibitors and film formers. These substances attempt to maintain the visual appearance of clean metal by temporarily disguising the mechanisms that will eventually cause the coating protection to fail. BMT does not leave any residue on the substrate and does not mask, cover, or transform contaminants. It destroys them. Cleaner is better, and BMT is the key to removing substrate contaminants and increasing coating service life. BMT is coating neutral. By eliminating substrate contaminants, BMT helps all coating systems perform many years longer than what is being recorded today. Our unique substrate decontamination process is an innovative cutting-edge technology. Quite simply, when you apply a coating to a clean substrate free of all contaminants, the coating will perform better than ever before. BMT is an environmentally friendly long-term solution to an age-old problem. With BMT, you dramatically reduce project costs, expedite complicated project schedules, eliminate corrosion-causing substrate contaminants, enhance coating performance, and minimize asset maintenance and downtime caused by corrosion. One project, completed in South Texas, was treated in 1995 and re-inspected 11 years later. The coating still looked as good as the day they were first applied, and without any subsequent maintenance or coating applications. Absolutely no corrosion was found, not even on the bolt threads. During the same 11-year period, 2 other sites at the same facility that were not decontaminated using the bare metal technologies had been recoated a total of 4 times. One major client refinery on the Gulf Coast uses BMT to remove contaminants from the steel floors of above-ground storage tanks. Prior to using BMT, a combination of multiple abrasive blasts and competitive methods could not completely remove the floor contaminants. Using BMT to decontaminate metal tank floors has become a standard practice in this facility. By eliminating contaminants, BMT assures coating systems have a longer service life and perform exponentially better. It also makes an immediate difference at the project level by eliminating variables that accelerate costs and asset downtime. With our simple and safe cutting-edge technology, you prepare the substrate just once. When you are ready to coat, BMT prep is applied. The gel destroys any substrate contaminants remaining on the metal and any flash rust that has occurred since the cleaning. BMT wash removes the reacted contaminants and stabilizes the substrate. When the substrate is dry, you're ready to coat. With BMT, you don't have to coat the same day of surface preparation. In fact, coating applications have been applied more than 3 weeks after the initial cleaning, with no recordable coating failures on any project. Unlike many anti-corrosion treatments, BMT is non-toxic and biodegradable. allowing it to be disposed of safely and easily by following an owner's own internal waste disposal procedures. BMT helps you avoid unforeseen factors that slow down or stop a project, allowing you to manage your resources more effectively and accomplish more with less. In contrast, traditional cleaning and coating projects are vulnerable to a number of common delays and interruptions. Using this chart to demonstrate a project, the red line represents how some of these variables affect the completion time of a traditional same-day blast and paint project. As you can see, production dips each time the project encounters delays, like weather, non-work days, equipment breakdowns, field inspections, and in the worst case, an injured worker. In this example, this method is repeated over a period of 52 days. Coatings have been applied in this way for the last 70 years. The blue line represents a BMT project. Because BMT eliminates flash rust and contaminants, projects can proceed with fewer hold points. Using the same abrasive blasting equipment and workforce, the entire project can now be prepared for coating in 21 days, even when faced with the same weather and non-working day delays as seen in the first example. The green line represents the second phase of a BMT project that prepares the substrate for coating. Coating applications can now work uninterrupted for the next 8 days, completing in 29 days. It would have taken nearly 2 months using a traditional method. Clients often realize a 40% reduction in overall project cost with our cutting-edge technology, while increasing project efficiency by a minimum of 25 to 30%. BMT helps you get your valuable assets back into production in less time, allowing you to focus your resources on your core business. Let one of our trained technologists show you how bare metal technologies can end your most costly corrosion issues today, saving you time and money. Visit our website or call us at 713-303-3349.